Welcome back, guys, CryptoFolite channel on my new podcast, and today I want to talk about the fantasy of easy success. Let's dive in. Guys, I prepare the article, what I wrote it, and I'm not an English native speaker, so mostly I will read that article because I want to share with you. I don't want to share this article just like audio, like a podcast in audio format. I want to share with you the video also and make some notes during I'll read this article on YouTube, like a video. So now, like you can see, the trading become the space, not like serious people who want to learn something. The trading, it's become the space and the place where another guy tries sell you the dream about easy success. We all read every single day some posts on social media. Some guy randomly put $10 in a random meme token and made a 200K. Another guy just put 20K in random meme token and waking up with 20 million. So this successful story. Today I made a post on Telegram, and I highly recommend you join. It's totally for free, where the guy just withdrew the $1 million from exchanges and made just 13 purchases of meme tokens, and only one of them was successful. He made a profit $231, and all other money just gone. So that's unpopular truth about the crypto space, and it's not popular and it's not attractive for the new users. I totally understand. Without the good stories, it will be like a desert place. Everybody gonna be in fear to invest some money, right? But the main goal and the main idea of this podcast is just talk about the reality and a lot of people just trying to sell you something and promise you some crazy successful signals, crazy successful alpha research. But in fact, guys, everything totally for free around us. And 50% of success, it's a discipline, our mindset, and the practice. You can use additional tools, I don't know, maybe it can be like Arkham platform, or it can be like some indicators, or it can be, I don't know, maybe some bots which track some wallets, or maybe it can be, I don't know, some tools on exchanges, right? Like basic, maybe you use the RSI, MACD, it's also indicators, but maybe you adjust it to your trading strategy and you become profitable trader on the distance. So today I want to talk about a human greed. The problem of human nature is people want everything and they want it now. I go through all of these phases because like every single new user, right, in a new field, I want to make a profit from trades. I want to make a profit from investments, because I see on social media, all my feed is full of successful traders, successful people, the rich people, and I want to be one of them. After the years, of course, you understand it's like most of them is to fake it till you make it. But at the beginning, you can be trapped, and it can play the bad joke with your mental health, because you think something wrong with you, not with them, but everything okay with you. It's just a psychology. It's just a human greed. So work with your human greed. Next one, it's blind faith. So let's face it. Some people just really want to believe there is easy shortcut for success. I'm not blaming the Memecoins community. Memes, I already explained it. Memes, for me personally, it's the most fair part of crypto space. Why, you ask me? Why? Because the memes not promise you some utility, not promise you the revolution in financial system. They just tell you, here is a mascot, and we think it can be fun if we play this casino. Of course, there's a lot of rug pulls when the devs and the teams launched the token, and they knew they will scam that people after the few hours or the days. Of course, it's a pure scam. But the same story with other utility projects. So how we can avoid it? We can't. Basically, we can't, because the people who invest on ICP, the fundamental project, I'm not blaming the ICP because now the ICP army gonna write me the million comments. What are you talking about? Our projects, it's a future. They bought at the top, and imagine somebody hopping in ICP at 800 or 400, and now it's dropped it to the $3. Of course, they found the reasons why it's happened, right? But compared with any other meme tokens, absolutely the same story, but in a different candy wrap. So some little slice of humanity that thinks that you can write your dreams and believe in some meme token, send this message to the universe or to the meme coin gods, and you become rich. The spoiler alert, no, you're not. So people in social media, they need to shill you something. And like Murat, that cool guy now, his quote, like, believe in something. Yes, we have to believe in something because on this field, we choose some projects and we believe in that project. We believe in the idea of that project. And I already explained to you that for me personally, the crypto space is like a Silicon Valley where we invest in startups, and any single startup can be successful or not. And even the algorithm, the Polkadot, IOTA, I don't know, the layer 3, layer 0, the Jupiter, the Sol, the Ethereum can dump in one single week or a month or the years. We can't know how the Ethereum will finish this cycle, because the people who invested in the projects, for example, in 2017 in top 10, now that tokens, which was promised, now they out of top 100. So that's the point, guys. And it's just the startups. We got another startup. So before the Sol, we got only one Ethereum. After that, we got a Sol. Now Sol performed much better than Ethereum, for example. And some people need to sell you some dream. You can become rich immediately. Guys, it doesn't work like this one. Now I will read some quotes from my article, so listen please carefully. Imagine this. You're scrolling through Instagram and there it is. An ad of someone standing next to the rented Lamborghini in Dubai. They're telling you, buy my course, and you will live the life like this. Sound tempting, right? Of course, nobody want to hustle 9 to 5, 100%. That's why we push the button, and yes, I want to join. I want to join in. I want to pay now $500, and I want to be rich immediately in 1 month. I don't have time. I'm tired. That information mostly you can find by yourself and adjust to your trading strategy, to your trading style. You know, you can tell me, oh, you also sell the indicators. Guys, indicators, it's a tool. I always tell the people, you don't need that indicators if you don't understand the technical analysis, at least the basics. If you don't have at least the strategy or the basic knowledge how to build a strategy, or you don't understand what's going on the chart, I tell all the time that, guys, you don't need to spend the money for this tool, because it's just a tool. It's not a magic button money. But with that tool, you can adjust your trading strategy. And with that additional information, maybe it will be helpful for you. It's helped a lot. For me, it's helpful tool. For someone, maybe not. They find another helpful tool. That's a difference. But I never tell you, hey, buy my indicator, trade on, because there's a signals, buy and sell. And follow that signals. Never follow the signals, buy, sell, buy, sell. Guys, it's indicators. They can't predict what the Donald Trump will tell you in the next 5 minutes. What post we will see from Elon Musk. What happened with Israel and in Gaza? What happened with Russia and in Ukraine? Right? We can't know. And indicators, of course, can't know the futures. We can't know. Maybe tomorrow the Binance will delist the Polkadot, but on indicators, everything looks okay. So that's the point, guys. It's a big difference between the selling the dream and selling the additional tool. And most of that guys who sell you the dream, they don't even live that dream life themselves. Mostly all of that cars, fancy cars, rented. The hotels are rented. And you can be in internet, even the dog, and nobody even know who you are. That's a problem of the internet now. And the people live in illusion. I can find some alpha. There is no alpha. Hey, come on. There's no alpha. It's just a discipline and research. And with that research, you can work with the proper risk management and the money management and trying to invest, for example, in that token what you found and think it's this project promising. Maybe it's going to be the alpha for you. But there is no secret. There is no secret. Of course, the secret can be only one. If you're joined some Telegram group and the owner of that group tell you, hey guys, I created a token. Here in our group is around 60K followers. And I think I'm gonna scam you. Let's hop in. Yes, it's insider trading. So you push the price of the token and only your small group of people know it's a scam. Yes, of course, it's alpha. But in general, there's no alpha, guys. Just to be real. So why do people fall for it? If a lot of people understand it's in many cases fake life. It's simply psychology. Everyone dreams of waking up one day, winning the lottery, or stumbling upon some magical moment that changed their life forever. But let me hit you with thumb true. 99.9% of that time, that moment isn't coming. Yes, it's hard to understand, but not all of us will be so successful guys, so rich guys. We can't know what can happen tomorrow, but we can try with a proper risk management, with the work, with the discipline, with the knowledge, just step by step, bricks by bricks, build that wealth. Imagine if you just got like 10K, invest 10 tokens, all of them pump it, and you become rich. This mostly can happen in the next 4 months. A lot of altcoins now lay down at the bottom, and some new users who just joined this space just in 2025, in their mind, the crypto will be this space where you can put the 1K and in the next 3 months this 1K become, for example, 10K. Easy money. But at the end, guys, believe it or not, but at the end, all of that money gone. Because it's just a habit. That guys who made millions just randomly investing in Ethereum in 2017 lost a lot of money. Not lose, lost a lot of money during the 2021. Or imagine the people who invest in XRP in 2018 or 2016 made a lot of money, and new users who joined it only in 2018, yes, at the top and put money on XRP because everybody around talk about XRP is going to $10, $100. They stock in XRP at $3 for 7 years. So guys, media is full of dream sellers. Life is about rolling up your sleeves, working hard, and taking control of your future with your own 2 hands. No manifesting, no energy enlightenment, and definitely no miracle course or magic bottom or magic indicator is going to do it for you. So what the alternative now? Because anyway, every single day we're in the social media. I always recommend you, first of all, use the free sources. For me, it was like Binance Academy, Investopedia. I still use Investopedia. I use the YouTube a lot, but I block a lot of YouTube channels because a lot of them is just copy pasta. I'm not blame of that guys, they are creators, and I respect that guys because they share the free information, and I totally believe all information can be totally for free, and just learn how to use that information. So don't be trapped with the glamorous around, don't be trapped with a luxury life, be humble, and of course guys, it's just my personal opinion about everything around. The world is fully of shiny distractions, but don't let them pull you off track. Keep your head on straight, trust in hard work, and don't buy into the hype. Because at the end of the day, the only person who can change your life is you. So this video is personally for me like a reminder. Don't be trapped, feel comfortable when you scroll the social medias. Don't compare yourself with other traders and just keep moving. I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.